Hi, today I'm going to show you how you're going to replace spark plug for 2011 and Hyundai Sonata. It's so easy. We need first just pull the cover off, just pull it. If we see here, we have those four. 1, 2, 3, 4. Socket number 10. We're gonna open this screw, all of them, all the screws. Before open the screws, we need unplug the wires. What we're gonna do, we're gonna pull this one. This bullet is a little bit hard. I'm using the screwdriver. But be careful, don't break it. Pull it to the back. After you pull it, just push here, this one, this clip. Push it down and take it out. I'm gonna do the same with all of them. Maybe I'm gonna show another one. You see here, I hope it's clear. Just be careful, don't break it. Look, I pull it. Push this down. And lock it. After I do this one, I just open the screw. Take it out. I just pull it up. Make it left, right, and pull it. If you see the plug, it is here and down. This out. I'm gonna do the same with all of them. Okay, now after I pull all of them, if you see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, the plug inside it, I'm gonna use socket 5/8. If you see here, 5/8, and this one is special socket for the spark plug. It has rubber inside it. You can buy it from anywhere, online, AutoZone, Advanced Part, everywhere. Put it down, put it in. The pocket has long thread. It's long a little bit. Okay, now it came out. Look, this one, how it's dirty. How it's dirty. I'm gonna put the new ones. I'm gonna show you the brand for the plug. If you see here, it's denser. It has this part number FX HPR 11. I'm gonna do the same with all of them. I'm gonna open them first. Put it. I'm gonna tie it. Just make sure there's nothing going in. If you like, just cover it or replace it one by one. Look, now it's tied. Don't tie that much, just a little bit. That's it. I'm gonna pull this out. Yeah, I'm gonna pull it out. I'm gonna put all of them same way. After we put all of them, I'm gonna just return those. So simple and easy. Just push it. Let's go in. Return the screws. Put all of them back. I'm gonna tie them. After I tie all the screws, just gonna plug the wires, but just make sure each one in same place. Return them. After that, just return the clip. Just push it back. That's it. All of them replaced and the job is done. It's so easy, it's just complicated. We need just a little bit of time. Return the cover and that's it. Thank you to watch my videos.